Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on renaming your Xiaomi phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your device name is what people see when searching for devices on Bluetooth or trying to send files. Renaming your Xiaomi device will help you recognize it from a list of devices. To do it, open the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, then you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, tap About Phone. Here at the top right it says Device Name and displays the current name underneath it. Tap the tile to rename your Xiaomi phone. Type your name and then tap the tick at the top right to save it. Your Xiaomi phone has now been renamed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.